Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a big and friendly giant named Rubeus Hagrid. One night, Hagrid found a tiny, lost owl in his garden. He named the owl Whiskers and took care of him. Whiskers was unlike any owl he had ever seen. He had bright blue feathers, shimmering stars on his wings, and glowing eyes that twinkled like the night sky. Hagrid was curious about Whiskers' magical abilities and decided to show him off to the other magical creatures of the forest. The forest was filled with excitement as the word spread about the magical owl. Elves, fairies, and even the headmaster of Hogwarts came to see Whiskers. During the show, Whiskers used his magical abilities to create stunning light displays, making the night sky even more beautiful. The magical creatures cheered and clapped, amazed by Whiskers' talents. Hagrid was proud of his new friend and grateful for the magical adventure they shared. As the night came to an end, Hagrid and Whiskers returned to their home in the forest. Whiskers perched on Hagrid's shoulder, and they both looked up at the stars, ready for more magical adventures. From that night on, Hagrid and Whiskers became the best of friends, sharing stories and magic with everyone they met. And every night, they would gaze up at the stars, dreaming of their next magical adventure. The end.